my channel. So I have just received a package from Amazon today. Today I am actually going to unbox something and review it. Actually, it's two items and it came in a package. I already opened the package here. So these two items came, let me show you. These two. Let me turn it around. Okay. So let's start with the first item. So the first item is this one. So this one is a Skullcandy Power Your Playlist, and it says charging cable discharge. It's a charging cable. Apparently it has to be a charging cable for this. Has to be. So let's see. And it's for Skullcandy. So let's see. And this actually works with an Android. So it have a little opening area here. So let me undo this part here. Whew, it's off. And let's open. And okay, there's nothing else in the box, and this is how it is. See, it looks so nice. So let's see how okay, so you just hold this part here and put your finger there. Oh, you have to actually pull out these two sides. See these two sides? Pull it out and you open it like that, and you will get the cord. So this is the cord. The cord is actually really nice. It is blue in color. You can see blue in color, and one side is green. And then it have like a little thing holding it together here. So you undo that and you get a cord. Okay, so it actually came with this 1 year global warranty. So it's a paper. It's a paper. Oh, this tiny. These words are so tiny. See those words? So tiny. I can't see that, people. I need a magnifying glass. Like who can see that? Comment below if you can see that. I can't. This part here is probably the English. The Skullcandy Hesh ANC. So this is a headphone. This is wireless simplicity with noise cancelling. So let's open. It's really nice. It have all the codes and everything. Ooh. On this side of the box, it's so rough. You can literally feel the words and the design. Okay, so let's open. Okay, it doesn't look like the top can open. Well, this part. So this part looks like it opens. Okay, so I'm going to open it. It's opening. Oh, it's so nice. So let's open. Ooh, can see user guide. In this little package, it have the user guide. It is full of like how to use the headphone, obviously. Yes, what different knobs is for, and all of those things. And then in the back of the book it have the skull. It have, what's this? Ooh, 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 this is so cool. You literally get like a little sack to put the headphones in. So let's check it out. I could have sworn I saw like a little design. Anyway, so basically you put the headphone in and you pull it like that to close it. And you probably give it a little tie, a little bag for it. Okay. Then and other than that, it have another little paper. It look like a warranty paper. It have this, wow, it have more than one thing. Okay, so it have this little cord, you know, this little cord with this on it. See that? To connect like the headphone to probably the laptop or headphone to the phone, whatever you want to connect it to. And then it have this little connector. This is like a drive connector with the little connector to connect your phone. So in other case, you can actually connect your phone to the laptop with this, or you can connect your headphone to the laptop, whichever one you want to connect. And then for the grand finale, ooh, the headphone, look at that packaging. Oh my gosh, so nice. Yeah, stepping up their game. Skullcandy. Hesh ANC. Look at that. Hesh ANC. Quick start guide. Look, that is so beautiful. So this is a quick start guide to start it up. Let's get started. Controls, everything. Wow. Okay, let's get to the actual headphones. So if you look here, it will pull apart like this. See that? So cool. So it pull apart like that, and then you pick it up. Wow. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Ooh. This is so nice. So, and if you look here, it can bend like this, can bend like this, it can turn back like that. Have a little spongy thing there. This is kind of soft, but it's kind of rubbery, like a soft rubber, squishy. Out there have like a shiny area here. Yes, smooth. And if you look right here, you will see the skull on this side as well. And then on top you will see like a shiny area there, if you see. And if you look here, this will pull out. This is for it to get bigger, so it can fit on a bigger size person head. Let's try. Okay, this is for more of an adult head, and you can see it's fitting great. This is how it looks. Okay, let me take it off, and then let me close it back, and in here you'll see a cushion on top of your head like that, a gray cushion, and it's really soft and nice. Yeah, so let's try putting it on and see. So let me find the how to put it on, and you can see it goes back and front here. Okay, I'm going to try and use one of the cords to hook it up to test it and see, just to see how it sounds, if I would like it, if I would not like it. Volume, to send the volume up and send the volume down. Then in the middle, actually this middle part here, this bump here between the plus and the minus is a bump, and you press that to power on, and when you press power on it comes on. Let me try pressing it again. Put it on and try it again. Wow, this sounds so quiet. Oh my gosh, I have on fan, I have on all sorts of other things, and I can barely hear anything right now. Let me press the power button. It is so quiet, guys. And then when you press it for a while, it comes off and it says power off. So let's try it again. This time let's try listening to some music or something like that. Let's try one of the chords to see if it will cancel out, if I will be able to hear the music. Let's try this one. Okay guys, I am back. My phone went low, my battery charge. So I am back and back to where we were. So I was going to test the cord on the headphone, and I was going to test the music. So let me put it a little bit bigger like this so that I can keep it good. So I was going to use this cord as I said earlier. So I'm going to plug it onto here first. So it went straight in here. I'm going to put it onto my head, onto my ears like this. Then I'm going to connect it to my laptop. So it is connected to the laptop, and now I'm going to press the knob. Let's press the knob. The bump, you will feel a bump. Press it. Power is on. Guys, it is so quiet. Wow, that is so different. Okay, so now I'm going to play something on the laptop. Wow, it's so quiet. It's clean. The music is clean. You're not hearing anything from outside of the headphone. Like, wow, it sounds so good, guys. Sounds so good. Wow. It's really a noise cancellating headphone. or headset. Sounds so good. I'm going to try and put on some type of music, any type of music. I'm going to try to put on some other song. I literally could barely hear anything right now, guys. Obviously, I can hear my voice, but let's see. It sounds so good. Nice bass. You hearing the bass really loud in the music. You're hearing everything so clear and nice. Okay, guys. That was, oh my gosh. So good, so good, so good. Oh my. It's still quiet. I will tell you guys the truth. I can hear my voice a little when I'm talking. The fan is on the loudest one right now. And I can slightly hear it. So whenever music or anything is playing on the headphones, I can't hear nothing in the background, nothing. And the music is very clear. You can hear all the bass and the treble and everything in the music. You can hear the voice of the person. It's so good. Wow. I would say the only thing is that it's really tight on my ears. It feels really tight on my ears. I think I put it on the biggest one, for the biggest one, and it's really tight. After a while it pulls in like this and it hurts, but I guess that's when, like, I guess that's to really hold it onto your skin and everything. Hold it onto your head, I mean. But it's really nice, it's really great. The only thing is it being slightly uncomfortable to me, but it might be comfortable to someone else. It might be more comfortable for someone else. It's really tight, but it's really nice. But if you send it back like this, let me try it like this. Obviously it will be too short. Or maybe I opened it out too much. Let me open it out slightly less, like that. Let's try. No, it's still uncomfortable. I would say the only thing is it's slightly uncomfortable. Other than that, it's actually great. Great sound, great everything else. But I would say, personally, to me, if you're getting a headphone, you would want it to feel comfortable on your head. To me, this don't feel comfortable on my head, but maybe it would feel comfortable on someone else's head. So you guys should buy it and try it for yourself. See if it's great for you. It's up to you if you think it's good for you. But the sound and everything coming from it is really great. Let me put back on the music. When you with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Bye guys.